Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Winnie, your travel buddy. This week, we're going to Nha Trang. There are many things to do with too little time. So if you are an adventure seeker and a food lover looking for the best weekend in Nha Trang, I think you will like this 3-day plan. Nha Trang is a coastal resort city in southern Vietnam known for its beaches, diving sites, and offshore islands. Have you ever heard of mud bath? Only a few places in Vietnam offer this type of spa treatment, and Nha Trang is the most popular one. There are 4 spa and hot springs locations that offer a variety of shared or private mud bathing experiences. So last night I took the sleeping bus from Ho Chi Minh to Nha Trang, and it was 9 hours of torture. I think I'm gonna start cutting back on traveling with sleeping bus. It's such a convenient option, but I cannot sleep. That sleeping, there's no sleeping there. That's just tossing around. So I got here at 6 a.m. this morning, and nothing was open, and it was too early for me to get the room. So I decided to stop by a coffee shop, look up something to do, and I found out there's this mud spa thing here in Nha Trang, and it's quite popular. So I signed up for the noise spa experience. And what that means is it's kind of like a VIP treatment where you're not sharing with other people. Well, I don't think I like the idea of sharing the mud tub with other people. So this is my own personal space. Over there, you get the little shower area. And here is your mud bath, your mud tub that you baked in for you baked in this for 20 to 30 minutes. And then after that, you go soak in here for another 10 to 15 minutes. This is the herbal mineral hot spring tub, and it's actually quite nice. I feel so good now. I don't think there's a time limit, so I'm gonna take a nap here. If they come wake me up, they come wake me up. For dinner, I was in the mood for seafood, especially sashimi. Sushi Kiwami is one of the best Japanese restaurants in town, according to my friend, and this dinner was only $33. I mean, that place of sashimi would have been $25 at least in the States. You will see a lot of live seafood restaurants offering seafood by the weight. I think they are overpriced, as I walked past many restaurants that night and noticed they're pretty empty. So for day 2, I would suggest booking a trip to explore the offshore islands. There are many 3 islands tour, but I decided to go with Dip Sung Island. Dip Sung is a mini island of a small green islands chain. It's also known as the road that flows in the middle of the ocean. So the cool part about this island is there's a path you can take, you can see. So there is a long path here that will actually go all the way to the other island. So technically they are connected by this sand path. And when the water goes down, you can actually see it better. But look at how clear the water is here. It's amazing. So pretty. After lunch and a fun morning of chillings on the island, we headed to Doglet Beach to enjoy some beach time. This is much more pristine than the beaches in Nha Trang, with softer and whiter sand, and you can see the 2 colors of the ocean, teal and clear blue water. You can compare yourself. The entry ticket is only 100,000 Vietnamese dong. For dinner, you must try Nha Trang specialty, nem nướng. It is Vietnamese grilled pork sausage. You wrap it in rice paper with some lettuce and herbs and then dip it into this sweet and spicy sauce. It's simply delicious. Another must-try is the avocado ice cream. Technically, it's avocado smoothies with vanilla ice cream topped with dry coconut flakes. It's so good, and look at the size of this ice cream. For day 3, try scuba diving. I did my first ever scuba diving here, and I'm so glad I did it. The team guided us well, including how to pose for a silly picture underwater. You can sign up for 1 or 2 dives, and after that, we had lunch at a floating restaurant in a local fishing village. Saving the best food for last, you can try bánh căn. There are savory Vietnamese pancakes that made with thin rice flour batter and various type of topping. Look, this plate of 6 giant prawn is only $6. Save some room for bánh xèo. We ordered the special one with all the topping. You wrapped it with lettuce and green herbs and then dip it into fish sauce. There are many more to see. If you have time, check out 2 famous sites, Long Sơn Buddha Temple and Ponagar Charm Towers. And maybe take a trek to a nearby waterfall. I hope you like the recommendation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.